Hello everyone, ni hao. I'm Raul from Concord, and today we are actually going to take you to a very special event that presents the Bentway project. It's called Street. So we are right in the heart of Canoe Landing, right in the heart of City Place in downtown Toronto, and we're on our way to a special media event presenting this special Bentway project. Follow me. So today, guys, we're actually gonna go to this Bentway special media event. We actually got invited, so we're very excited to check it out. So let's go. So we just finished this special media event right here at the Bentway studio where they introduced this Bentway project called Street. It's gonna be absolutely fantastic. It's taking place this summer right at the Bentway. So since we're talking about the Bentway, why don't we go check out ourselves the Bentway? So let's go. Okay, so here we are right at the Bentway. So let me show you. So you guys can see right here, it's the Gardner Expressway. The Gardner Expressway is an elevated highway that connects through downtown Toronto, connects to the rest of the Toronto area. Right underneath is where the Bentway happens. The Bentway is right under the Gardner Expressway. It runs about 1.75 kilometers all the way from Liberty Village all the way to City Place. So let's go check it out. So here we are, guys. We are right in the heart of the Bentway, right underneath the Gardner Expressway. So this is where it's all gonna happen. This is where the excitement happens under the Bentway. We have seen many different events. We have seen outdoor dining parties. We've seen Dinner en Blanc 3 years ago that was sponsored by Concord. During the winter, the Bentway turns into a beautiful skating rink where everybody can come and enjoy a winter activity. And this summer, as we just learned at this beautiful media event we just attended to, this is gonna be filled with public art installations, activities for the kids, basically a perfect outdoor public space where people can come, enjoy, interact, talk about the art, and basically have a good time. Don't forget to come and check out all the activities at the Bentway this summer, and it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. So that's it for me. I'm Raul. I'm really happy that you joined us today, and we'll see you next time. Take care.